In this video, I'll show you how to get grades by unit quickly in MyLabs Plus. Log into your class, hit Course Tools, and then hit Gradebook. First, you'll need to submit zeros. To do that, hit Manage Incompletes. You can hit Select All Past Due, or you can individually select assignments. After you do that, you'll want to scroll to the bottom and hit Submit. That will submit zeros for all students that have not opened a homework assignment. Once you do that, what we're going to do is hit Change Weights. Notice right now the checks are for things that are omitted, that are not currently counted in the student's grade. So to get our homework for our first unit, which in this class covers sections 1.7 and 1.8 and all of chapter 2, I am going to omit all of the other homework assignments. So I'm going to put check marks next to all of the other homework assignments. To make this easier, at the beginning of the semester, you can omit everything and then simply allow things as you assign them more homework. Students are still able to work on assignments even if you omit them from the gradebook. All this affects is their grade that shows up on MyLabs Plus. Once we omit everything, we can scroll to the bottom of the page and hit Save. Then, to easily see the homework scores, we're going to go back to Gradebook, hit Assignments, and Homework. When we do that, now this category score only shows the homework assignments and the average of the homework assignments from that first unit. We can copy these directly into D2L without needing to average them by hand.